In the previous section, we were using matrices to solve systems of equations. But matrices don't always have to be used to solve systems of equations. There's a lot of math involving matrices by themselves. So we have a couple definitions here. It says, when adding and subtracting matrices, the matrices must have the same dimension. Next, matrix addition is commutative. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. Matrix addition is also associative. So you can move the parentheses and it will be the same. And then lastly, the scalar product C times A is obtained by multiplying each entry of A by C. And we'll talk a little bit more about that on question 3. So it says perform the matrix operation by hand. So we have two matrices here, and they are both 2 by 3 matrices. So they have the same dimension. So we can add them, and the answer is also going to be a 2 by 3 matrix. And then to get the entries of this matrix, we just need to add the corresponding individual entries of the original two matrices. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 4 and negative 2 is 2. 0 and 4 is 4. 9 and 1 is 10. Negative 3 and 0 is negative 3. And negative 1 and 0 is negative 1. So this will be my answer.